Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to get current user total purchase item count in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it, then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to get total purchase item count by current user. Now scroll down, you see insert method shortcode select and then you see shortcode. Please save the snippet first. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Scroll down, you see shortcode, now copy, go to page, now paste and then click on update. Now page update done. On top you see view page, so open it. Now you see total purchase item 18. So this is our total count for our current user. If any login customer open this page, then they will get total purchase item count, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.